Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by joining the Teams meeting from the desktop app because the browser lacks full audio share control. Once in the meeting, choose Share Content and pick the specific window or screen that plays your video so you avoid showing unrelated tabs. Before you click Share, make sure to check Include System Audio. This routes your computer sound into the meeting. You do this now because Teams captures system output only when that box is selected, ensuring attendees hear the video's audio clearly. Once sharing starts, pick the exact player window with your video to avoid privacy leaks. Do not share the entire screen unless necessary. Then set your system volume to a level that balances clarity and comfort for listeners. Lower other app sounds to prevent noise. If Teams offers video quality or bandwidth settings, choose a higher quality when your network supports it. Also, pause the video briefly and resume to confirm audio sync. This prevents buffering surprises and gives you a clean start. You finish by verifying with at least one participant that sound is audible and at a good level. This quick check prevents wasted time. If they report no audio, stop sharing and confirm Include System Audio is still checked. Then verify the video's audio plays on your speakers. If problems persist, restart Teams or switch output device in Windows Sound settings, then reshare. One key tip: toggle the Share Content option off and on again. That often forces the audio stream to reinitialize and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.